Hi all, let's see why CSS in HTML and how to apply CSS in HTML pages. Let's see. Cascading style sheets CSS are used to style the layout of a web page. That means by using CSS you can control the style of your web pages, that is HTML pages. By using CSS you can control various aspects such as colors, fonts, text size, background colors, images, etc. We can apply CSS in HTML pages in three ways: inline, internal, external. Let's see each practically. Let's see inline styling first. By using inline styling, we can apply a style to a single HTML element only. Inline style uses style attribute in HTML element. We can apply style attribute in any HTML element. Inside style attribute, we have to apply the styles which we want. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code and see. This example we saw in last video. Let's use this example. Let's apply style attribute to this heading only. Style. Inside, let's change the font color. Let's go back to browser and check. See, this heading color only changed, others didn't change. By using inline styling, we can apply a style to a single element only, but by using internal styling, we can apply a style to a whole page. Let's see internal styling. An internal styling used to apply a style to a single HTML page. Note, internal styling only for single HTML page, not for whole website. In internal styling, inside head section, by using style element, we can apply styles. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code and see practically. Internal styling should apply inside head section only, should not apply any other section. And also styling should be inside style element only. Let's add style element. Now let's change all heading color, all paragraphs and body color. Here heading is H3. So inside style element H3. Inside angle bracket, let's add color. The color which you want, and all lines should be end with semicolon. Then let's change paragraph. Inside angle bracket, color. Let's add the color. Then body color, body, background color. Now let's go to the browser and check. Let's refresh. See, all heading and paragraph and body color changed. So by using internal styling, we can apply style to whole page. But internal styling only for a single page. But if your website having more than one page, means if you want to apply the style to all the pages, we can use external styling. Let's see. By using external styling, we can apply styles in multiple pages in website. In external styling, we have to define styles in separate file. That file we have to save in .css extension. We have to link that file using link element. Let's see practically. Let's create new CSS file, new text file. Let's cut this style and paste here. No need to add style element inside the CSS file. Have to provide styles directly inside CSS file. Let's save this file. Let's save the same folder which having index.html file. Let's use styles dot extension should be .css. Let's save. Let's explore this folder. See, saved in same folder. Let's link styles.css file. Have to do in each section only, should not do any other section. Using link element we can do. Inside link element, by using href attribute, we have to provide the file name. Then we have to provide a relation attribute as style sheet. The relationship between this style sheet and HTML is style, so that we are providing this. Let's go back to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, our external styles applied successfully. You can link this file to multiple pages in your website. Now let's add all together external, internal and inline. In external we provided heading color as blue. Let's change using internal. For internal we have to use style element. Let's change heading color as green. And inline, let's change heading color as brown. Let's save this file. Let's go to browser and check. See, here for this heading only we provided inline style. It's changed to brown color. Browser will give preference to inline style first. If inline style not available means then internal style not available means it takes external. Here for this heading inline style is not available, we didn't provide anything. See, but for this internal style is available. See, here internal style we provided h3 color as green, so that it's green. If internal style not available means it takes external style. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.